Good morning students. In our last term we have discussed how formation of urine takes place in human. Today I will explain you what is the composition of urine. In our urine 96% amount of water is present, 2.5% organic substances like urea, uric acid, water soluble vitamins, hormones etc. are present, and only 1.5% inorganic salt is present. So 96% water, 2.5% organic substance and 1.5% inorganic salt compose our urine. Now our next topic is dialysis. What is dialysis? Dialysis is an artificial kidney. It is a machine which acts as an artificial kidney. The kidney which work in a human body. What is the work of kidney in human body? Remove nitrogenous waste in a form of urine. But the person whose kidney is failed and the kidney is not function properly, so their nitrogenous waste cannot be removed. This can be done by the process of dialysis. Now how dialysis can be done, this I am going to explain you. This is a dialysis machine. This dialysis machine carries some coil tubes which are selectively permeable membrane. Here is a fresh dialysis solution. Now what? In patient's artery, this nitrogenous waste blood comes in a dialysis machine, and in this selectively permeable membrane dialysis solution is passed out. Here is a human blood and here is a dialysis solution. So what happens? Here is diffusion takes place, and due to that diffusion all this nitrogenous waste comes in a semi-permeable tubes. This semi-permeable tubes finally open into another beaker and this used dialysis solution is collected. In this used dialysis solution now it is full of nitrogenous waste which is removed from the patient blood. Now the patient blood is total pure, its nitrogenous waste is removed totally. Now this fresh blood is again from the apparatus, it again through the vein, it passes to the patient. So this way artery carry this nitrogenous waste blood in a dialysis machine where it is going to be purified, and this nitrogenous waste less blood is now again passes out to the patient through its vein. So this way one side the impure blood comes which is get purified, and from another side the pure blood is again given to the patient. So the function which was doing in the kidney in a human body, this is performed out of the body by this dialysis machine. This is a process of dialysis